All right, welcome to The Explainer. If you've ever dreamt about getting into the digital economy, maybe building a career right from your own home, then you are in for a real treat. Today, we're breaking down the DigiSkills program.
So let me just start by asking you a question. What if you could learn some seriously valuable skills? Skills that let you earn a real income online from pretty much anywhere. And what if you could do it all without spending a single rupee? Yeah, I know, it sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me here.
Okay, so first things first. Let's zoom out and look at the big picture for a second. Right now, there is a huge, and I mean huge, opportunity opening up inside Pakistan's digital economy. And the key to it all, freelancing.
You know, the whole point of this, the real heart of it, is empowerment. It's all about giving you the tools, the actual practical skills that companies are looking for right now. The kind of skills that let you jump into the freelance world and build your own financial independence, on your own terms, without being stuck in a traditional 9-to-5.
So the big question is, how do you actually get in on this action? Well, that brings us to the program we're talking about today, DigiSkills. So what exactly is it, and why might it be the exact solution you've been searching for?
Okay, and this is the part that is just incredible. It's not low cost. It's not on sale. It is, and I'm going to quote this directly, absolutely for free. There are no hidden charges, no strings attached, no gotchas down the line. It's just free.
So yeah, just to really drive this point home, what does it cost to learn these skills that could change your career? Zero. Nothing. The only thing you need to invest is your own time and your commitment to learn. That's it.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, it's free, but is it legit? Well, this program is the real deal. It's an official initiative from the government of Pakistan, and it's run by the virtual universities, so you know it has some serious credibility. Plus, it's designed to be incredibly accessible. The courses are a mix of Urdu and English. You don't need any specific educational background, and you learn totally at your own pace wherever you are, and if you get stuck, there's 24/7 support.
All right, so we've established it's free, it's flexible, and it's legit. But what are you actually going to learn? What skills will you have when you're done? Let's dive into the courses.
And wow, the list of courses is pretty amazing. So everyone starts with the freelancing course. That one's mandatory for new folks, which makes total sense. It builds the foundation. From there, you can get into really high-demand areas like e-commerce, creative writing, graphic design, and even specialized stuff like WordPress, AutoCAD, or SEO.
And it doesn't stop there. The list goes on. You've got digital marketing, becoming a virtual assistant, affiliate marketing, even super relevant creative skills like video editing and vlogging. And I love this part. They even have a course on communication and soft skills. Because, let's be real, knowing how to talk to clients is just as important as the technical stuff. That is a game changer.
Okay, this is a really important point to understand, so let's be super clear about the goal here. DigiSkills is set up to give you the skills you need to go out there and win projects on your own. It's like that old saying, right? They're teaching you how to fish, not just giving you a fish. So this isn't a job placement agency. It's an empowerment program to make you a successful freelancer.
So, once you've put in the work and learned all these cool new skills, what do you actually get? What's the tangible payoff at the end? Let's talk about that, your path to getting an official certificate.
Well, it's not just a pat on the back, that's for sure. When you successfully complete the course, you get a real official e-certificate issued by the Virtual University of Pakistan. And having that on your profile, it adds some serious weight and credibility when you're trying to win those first few projects.
So how do you actually earn this certificate? The cool thing is, it's not based on some huge, stressful final exam. Check this out. A massive 60% of your score just comes from watching the videos. The rest is made up of quizzes and practical hands-on exercises. So really, the whole system is built to reward you for just showing up and putting in the time.
So, what's the passing grade? What's that magic number you need to hit? Just 50%, that's it. An overall score of 50% across everything. Honestly, for anyone who's actually committed to doing the work, that is so achievable.
Okay, if you're anything like me, you're probably getting pretty excited right now and wondering, all right, how do I sign up? Well, this next part is for you. Let's get into the practical stuff, the key dates, and exactly how you enroll.
All right, get your calendars out. This is important. Enrollments for the next batch open up on June 16th, 2025. And listen, the really crucial thing to remember here is that it's first come, first served. When the spots are gone, they're gone, so you'll want to be ready on that day. Once you're in, the classes kick off in August.
And signing up? It's super simple. No hoops to jump through. First, you just pop over to the digiskills.pk website and sign up. Second, they'll send you an email, so check your inbox and click the link to activate your account. And third, you just enroll. You can pick up to 2 courses. Just remember that the freelancing one is a must-do for your first time.
So, what do you need to have to get started? Do you need some fancy computer? Nope. The list is really basic. A decent internet connection, a computer, or even just an Android phone, and, well, the most important thing, a real desire to learn and grow. That's it. They've made the barrier to entry as low as it can possibly be. So there you have it. We've walked through the whole thing. It's a program with free courses, official government backing, and a clear, achievable path to getting a real certificate. Really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to transform your future? The opportunity is right here.